SEC hits Kraken with $30 million fine. Orders crypto exchange to halt staking. So this is not great news, guys. Definitely very bearish. This could have huge implications in the crypto space as a whole. That is probably why you're seeing a sell-off in names like Ethereum and Bitcoin. Let's get into the details of this article and see exactly what the heck's going on here. Crypto exchange Kraken will immediately end its crypto staking as a service platform and pay $30 million to settle U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission charges it offered unregistered securities, the agency announced Thursday. The complaint alleges that Kraken touts that its staking investor program offers an easy-to-use platform and benefits that derive from Kraken's effort on behalf of investors, including Kraken's strategies to obtain regular investment returns and payouts, the SEC release said. While Kraken's website offered a 20% yield on its staking service, the SEC press release suggested it may be as high as 21%. Whether it's through staking as a service, lending, or other means, crypto intermediaries, when offering investment contracts in exchange for investors' tokens, need to provide the proper disclosures and safeguards required by our securities laws, said SEC Chairman Gary Gensler. Today's actions should make clear to the marketplace that staking as a service provides must register and provide full, fair, and truthful disclosures and investors' protection. So there you have it, guys. Upon first reading of this article, I think that this could be contained to just Kraken. Kraken needs to become compliant. Again, upon first reading, I don't think that this will spread to other exchanges like Coinbase or Binance, but we shall see. Tim, I want to throw it over to you to check out the TA. What has price been doing in reaction to this news?
For the last couple of days, we've been talking about Bitcoin being in a consolidation mode where we're going to see a breakout coming soon. The question was whether we're going to the upside or downside. Well, guess what? With this Kraken news, it looks like we got our answer, and that is to the downside. Coming down to the 4-hourly chart, we've had this rising level of support for the last couple of days, but not only did we break below it just a few hours ago, we also ended up turning it into resistance, once again being another sign that we're moving to the downside. Taking a look over on Chart Prime, we also see some confirmation that this was a good rejection zone, and there's a lot of room to the downside, not only with the Bollinger Bands, but you're going to see us having bounced off of our premium level. This is a reversal level over on Chart Prime. We could see the price of Bitcoin potentially even drop as far down as $20,000 back towards the equilibrium and this little reversal zone right here on Chart Prime called the dynamic reactor. However, if you have been watching the Investing Bros over the last couple of weeks, you were prepared for this, as we have highlighted a couple different zones to keep our eyes on. The first one starting right here with the top of this yellow box at 21,500, because this is the last level of resistance right before the fiasco with FTX and would make a lot of sense to be a new place of support. Going back to past bear markets, we can see this trend having happened before, with former resistance not only getting broken through, but very soon being turned back into support as a very strong sign that the bottom actually is in. So despite the fact that we actually are moving to the downside, this could be a major bullish indicator to try to find support around this yellow line. However, if we cannot hold, the next level we're kind of looking at, if we drop below this yellow box, would be coming all the way back down towards $20,000, maybe even lower towards 19,700, where we have a fat amount of volume kind of sticking in the space. That's all the TA I'm going to do today. Make sure you join tomorrow's live show where we'll go more in depth on what Bitcoin is going to be doing next, especially in light of this breaking news that's happening with Kraken and the SEC. This story is not done yet. This is just the beginning. So make sure, if you have not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe, and go ahead and leave a like if you love this type of content, and let us know some other things you guys want to see. With that said, though, we'll see you in the next video.